Let's make some garlic Parmesan Brussels sprouts, one of my favorite meal prep sides. First, add 1 cup of Brussels sprouts and then crush up some fresh garlic, 1 clove. Add your fresh garlic to your Brussels sprouts. Grate some Parmesan cheese. Divide into 2, 1 for now, 1 for later. Now take some of that Parmesan, sprinkle on top. Drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. Stir well. Add some crushed black pepper. Now take some parchment paper and cover your air frying rack. If you don't have an air fryer, that's okay. You can use the oven, see description for instructions. Now add your Brussels sprouts to your air frying rack. And make sure to get all that good stuff that's still on the bottom of the bowl. Mix it up well. Then air fry for about 5 minutes at 380 degrees. After the 5 minutes, take it out of the air fryer and turn it over so you can get the other side. Then add it back to the air fryer for another 5 minutes, and that's it. You can enjoy this as a delicious snack. Don't forget to add the rest of your Parmesan cheese. And then of course you can add it as a side to any meal. Add some protein and a grain for a complete meal. Enjoy!